In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade in Darktable. We'll move from opening your photo to creating a polished cinematic look, all while keeping the process simple and repeatable. Start in the Light Table view. When you see the image you want to edit, double-click it to open the darkroom. This is the editing workspace where all the color grading takes place. If Darktable looks busy, don't worry. Once you know where to look, it's straightforward. Before any creative grading, make sure your colors are accurate. Head to either the white balance module or the color calibration module. The goal here is to neutralize any unwanted color cast so you're building on a clean foundation. If the image feels too warm or too cool, adjust the temperature and tint until it looks natural. You can also use the picker on a neutral area, like a gray or white object, to get close quickly. Color calibration is great if the lighting is tricky, because it lets you refine channels more precisely. Keep this step subtle. You're correcting, not styling yet. Now for the fun part, the Color Balance RGB module. This is where most of the grading happens in Darktable. Find it in the right panel. If it's collapsed, open it and switch to the Four Ways tab. Depending on your version, these controls may be labeled shadows as lift, midtones as power, and highlights as gain. These let you tint different tonal ranges independently, much like the grading wheels you might know from video editors. For shadows or lift, drag the color dot toward the hue you want to see in the darker tones. A gentle push toward teal can add depth without crushing detail. For midtones or power, choose a hue that enhances skin and natural subjects. Slight warmth often works well. For highlights or gain, a soft golden tint can add glow, while a cooler shift can make a scene feel crisp. Keep your movements small. It's easy to overdo it, so glance at the histogram and toggle the module's on-off switch to compare your before and after. Aim for balance. If your shadows go cooler, consider a complementary warmth in the highlights. If colors feel muddy, reduce the intensity by pulling the dot closer to the center. You're shaping mood, guiding the eye, and separating elements in a natural way. Once your shadows, midtones, and highlights feel cohesive, you've completed the grade. That's all it takes. Correct the color first, then sculpt tone by tone with Color Balance RGB for a clean cinematic finish.